Hi guys, my name is Yash. I'm ACBA Certified Business Analyst, and today we'll be continuing with our 43rd question of our BA interview series. So let's begin. What if the interviewer asks, how have you used Excel for analysis? I'll answer. I use Excel extensively for data analysis, requirement validation, and reporting activities during projects. For data summarization and trend analysis, I use pivot tables to quickly analyze large datasets and identify patterns or business insights. I use functions like VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP for data matching and validation, especially when comparing records from different sources or validating business data. I also use filters, conditional formatting, and data validation to improve data accuracy and identify inconsistencies. For visualization and reporting, I create charts and dashboards to present findings in simple and understandable way for stakeholders. As a business analyst, Excel helps me perform quick analysis before moving into advanced BI tools. In my CraftCart project, I used Excel to analyze order flow scenarios, validate inventory and payment related data, and structure requirement tracking and prioritization activities. Overall, Excel is a very effective tool for quick analysis, reporting, validation, and decision support in business analysis. So, as you can see, as a business analyst, I use Excel extensively for data analysis, requirement validation, reporting, and tracking project related information. First, I've used pivot tables to summarize large data sets, identify trends, compare business metrics, and generate quick insights for stakeholders. For example, analyzing order failure by payment type or region. Second, I've used VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP and index match for data comparison and validation between multiple datasets. This helps in checking missing records, validating business data, and matching reports from different systems. Then, I've used filter and conditional formatting. I've used filter, sortings, and conditional formatting to quickly identify duplicate records, inconsistencies, missing values, or high priority issues. Then I've used charts and dashboards for reporting and stakeholder presentation. I've created charts, graphs, KPI trackers, and dashboards to present findings in a simple and understandable format. Then I've used requirements tracking. I also use Excel for RTM preparation, backlog tracking, defect tracking, prioritization, and requirement management. In my CraftCarts project, I use Excel to analyze payment failure, trends, and inventory related issues. I use pivot table to identify order drop of patterns. I used VLOOKUP to validate inventory and payment related records. I used conditional formatting to highlight failed transactions and priority gaps. I also maintained requirements tracking and prioritization sheets in Excel. This helped me in making faster business decisions and improving process analysis. Excel helps me perform quick analysis, validation, reporting, and requirements tracking efficiently before moving into advanced BI tool. Overall, Excel is a very effective tool for quick analysis. Okay, it's very effective tool for quick analysis, reporting, validation, and decision support in business analysis. So it helps a lot. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something from this.